So I would like to work on the EuroCAD for a decrease. EuroCAD here once, here twice. I'll explain why I'm entering for a decrease now and not for an increase against two such good candles.
A link to all the information is on the YouTube profile.
So, well, first of all, no matter how much I want to, there is a renewal of lows happening here, right? That is, overall, there is a predominance of the seller here. That's the first point. The second point is that the buyer produces two good candles. On the last candle, we see a decrease in volume compared to the previous one, and there are more sellers. That's good. Next, the nearest area is located right here. An attempt to go down, the buyer buys up the candle. But in the end, I see the candle closing like this, right? That is, the candle remains with the seller. And this candle is weak with fewer buyers and more sellers. A good fact for the trend to continue moving. Next, the area of interest is at the very top, but the candle closes lower. That is, the area of interest is restraining. The seller has shown themselves, not allowing the buyer to go higher. If this happens, like this right movement upwards, I have an area to take an entry for the mutual strong side. And by the way, it's important not to miss this moment and use the entry. That's it. I approach this situation with this kind of logic. Now the cluster, now the volume, now the overall trend. And the fact that there is an area, if it goes higher, I will use follow-ups from this area for the strong side. Yes, that is the simplest thing, is to enter on a pullback movement in the trend for a good area, because the seller is still in priority here. And in any case, they will always try to demonstrate something from the nearest good stop. And if they don't demonstrate this to us, then a reversal occurs. There are still 55 seconds left until the end. So for now, we wait. And yes, by the way, this impulse that happened so suddenly here, I was expecting it too. This time I was expecting it too, because I paid attention to all these previous candles and they are all large. They are all large, either with buybacks or very big. That is, this could have happened even from this, well, starting from this segment, more or less. Yes. So such candles are normal. It's a pity I didn't say it. I thought I wouldn't say it, otherwise they might think I drew it myself. 10 seconds left until the end. Some kind of pullback is already happening. Yes, there is some reaction already. Well, that's a plus. That's a plus. On the 5-minute chart, not on the 15-minute chart. Well, for now, it's going like this for me. For now, I have to use follow-ups. So I'm looking for the situation further.